Are you getting married? Are you already married? Then this video is for you. Today we will give you a starter guide on how to navigate your finances in a marriage. By the end of this video, you will know how to approach financial planning and financial decision making in a marriage along with some tax saving benefits. Hello and welcome. I am Prarthana from Clear, which is India's largest tax and financial services platform. At Clear, we have assisted 6 million plus tax filers so far. By the way, I have an exciting announcement for new subscribers. We have a free gift for you. We have curated 4 of our best calculators that will help you estimate the future cost of your financial goals as well as identify the lump sum you need to invest to reach these goals. Well, to claim it, subscribe to our channel and let us know in the form that is provided in the description box below. Well, marriage is not just about sharing your lives together. It is also about sharing resources, right? There are no set rules on how couples at any stage should manage their finances. However, it is always advisable to keep at least some of your finances separate. This video contains tips to help you figure out what you should and should not do while planning your finances with your spouse. Financial independence is required in the unfortunate circumstances of the marriage not panning out as expected. Do not close your accounts and redeem your investments to put in a joint account. Having said that, if you wish to open a joint account, by all means, of course, open one. However, if you have a source of income, make sure that income goes into your account. At least for the first few years of marriage, be mindful of not signing any documents blindly or taking loans for assets under your spouse's name. If you and your spouse decide to buy assets together, ensure that they are bought by a joint contribution used by the earnings that is made after the marriage. If both of you decide to be co-applicants to take a loan for a house or maybe a business, keep in mind that you should be a co-owner in that case. Otherwise, you will simply help pay off the loans and not own the asset. The concept of the co-applicant and co-owner making sense? Comment clear in the comment section below if it is. There are a few tax benefits that spouses can enjoy. Firstly, joint home loan. You can now own your dream home along with tax benefits. What are these benefits? Each co-owner, also a co-applicant, is eligible to claim a maximum deduction of Rs 2 lakh for interest on the home loan in the income tax return. The total interest paid, however, is allocated to the owners in the ratio of their owners. The total interest claimed by the owners or borrowers cannot exceed the total interest that is paid by the loan. Number 2. Joint insurance. Under Section 80D, you are eligible to claim a deduction from your total income for the medical insurance premium paid in any given year. This deduction is applicable for spouses, dependent children, or parents. Thirdly, joint recurring deposit. Even though a joint recurring deposit does not have any tax benefits as such, it acts as an emergency fund. It is a worthwhile investment as you can also secure the RD for any significant events or occasions and prematurely withdraw the savings at any time. You can put the proportion of income into the RD depending on how much disposable income each spouse can contribute. Lastly, even if you typically are not interested in finances and keep yourself away from the intricacies, It is always advisable to be actively involved in some way or the other to be blindsided in the major decision-making process. Subscribe to stay tuned and to stay updated, and do not forget to claim your free gift from our giveaway. Check out the description box to know more. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.